Hello, this is Marvin. Copyright claim happens when you are misinformed or confused by the website's information of copyright-free music. If this happens, it is not a channel strike. It won't affect your channel, but the benefits of your video will be taken by the music owner. In other words, the monetization goes to them without a reward in making the video. This copyright claim is displayed below your uploaded video publicly by the music company. You can see the examples that are being pointed by the arrow in the following frames of this video. But there is a way to remove this public claim. Please watch the instructions as demonstrated in this video. After doing all these steps, wait for some time and you'll see that said claim has disappeared and you'll be able to monetize your video. This is to say that the YouTube Music Library has copyright-free music that helps as shown. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to support my channel.